Now that we've got all the supplies laid out, we want to talk about shelf life. So on the left, all of the gear and the supplies there, they don't have a shelf life. They only need to be cleaned or replaced after they've been used. The same isn't true for all the supplies on the right. They've got a shelf life and they need to be replaced. So starting at the top, we've got our sting relief, alcohol wipes and skin cleaning wipes. These all have a shelf life of 5 years. At the bottom of each of them is imprinted a date and you can see the expiry date there. Then we've got our biodegradable wet wipes. They've got a 2-year shelf life and they're made with 100% viscose material. Printed on the back, it's got the shelf life over there, which is 2 years. We've got the conforming bandage. That is a 3-year shelf life. The hydrogel, which is used for burns, that's got a 4-year shelf life and it's got a date printed on the packet. We've got the cotton gauze swab. On the front, it's got a little icon that you can always use as a reference point. That is 3 years. So just look for that icon to remind yourself when you need to replace them. Your standard adhesive dressing, that is 3 years and it's got the icon. And then we've got our wound closures pocket. It's got the larger adhesive bandages, H bandages, knuckle bandages. That is a 3-year shelf life. So after 3 to 5 years, you need to go to your local pharmacy and replace these. Biodegradable wet wipes, they can be bought on our website. And it's important to make sure and that you're aware that these got a shelf life. And always be prepared. Make sure that you've got an up-to-date kit so that you can take action when you need it the most.